Hi everybody, in this video I will teach you how to use WordArt. WordArt is a text in an artistic format. This is of this we can consider it of the same family as picture, shapes, and all of these sort of graphical representation. And of course we will see similar options. How can I grab a WordArt from insert? And here in the text group, this is the WordArt. Insert a WordArt. If you click the drop down arrow, you can see many styles of the WordArt. You can choose the style that you need. I will choose this style. And here there is a prompt your text here. This means then that you can write your own text here. You can drag it and drop anywhere. You can go to home to increase the font size or to decrease the font size and to adjust all other font formatting like the font color, the bold, italic, underline, and all of these different font formats. As it is a member of the graphical family, you will see a new tab emerged once you inserted a WordArt shape format. Here, WordArt styles have many options that you can use to modify the formatting of your WordArt. If you want to change the style from here, quick style, you can choose the style that you need. From here, this is the fill color of the text. So you can change the text fill color. And this is the outline color. You can choose to have no outline. And here is the WordArt effects. Our shadow, if I want to add a shadow, no shadow will remove the shadow if exists. From here, I can choose the direction of my shadow. We have many shadow styles. You can use whatever you need. And from here again, text effects, we can choose to apply a reflection. You can see a preview in the background here when I just point to any option. Glue, if you want to add a glue, we have different glue colors and sizes. Also, you can apply bevel or 3D. I will remove the glue, so any option of this has its no option. For example, the glue has a no glue option, the reflection has a no reflection option, and everyone has its no option. This is a transform. This is specific for the WordArt because it works with shaping the text. So we have many text shaping. Also, if you have text within the document, you can wrap the WordArt with your text. Let me delete this WordArt. To delete it, just click it and then delete from the keyboard. I want to grab some text, so I will be able to wrap the WordArt with the text. Then I will use our normal function, which is rand equals rand and any two numbers between parentheses, and these two numbers should be separated by comma. Once you close the parentheses, press enter, you will get a text in your document. Click where you want to insert your WordArt, and then from insert, again WordArt, and now you can choose any style that you need. I will choose this style. And here you can see type your text here where you can type any text that you want. You can click on the outline of this text and grab it and drag it anywhere in your document. But as you can see, it is covering the text. So you have here wrap text to wrap the word art with the text. In line with text, will make the word art as a part of the text, so it will be hardly moved. Square side through these three options will allow the word art to be at the middle of the text. So text can be above, below, left, and to the right of the word art. Top and bottom, the text will be above and below the word art, and no text will be able to be on the sides of the word art. Behind text will send the word art behind the text, and that's what is normally used for a background text. If you need to add the name of the company at the background of the text, I will increase the font for this text. And you can rotate it from here. This is to rotate it. And now it's at the back of the text. You can bring it to the front of the text so it will cover the text. So I will send it to the back behind text. And I will use a lighter color like this, and I think this is okay. You can also work with the text box that contains the text from shape style. From here you can choose a shape style, a preset style. We have many preset styles. Also you can choose the shape fill color and the shape outline for outline. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.